Alright, hey guys, another quick video here about my truck, but work still continues. What we're going to do is replace this NOX sensor right here. If somebody doesn't know, this is a NOX sensor, measures how well the treatment system is performing. There's one right here, and there's one at the end after the SCR, and it measures pretty much parts per million, how much parts per million the engine's putting out, and how much parts per million the DPF system takes away. So what we had a fault for this. So you can see that it's still pretty much a factory sensor. They usually go out before 200,000 miles, I've noticed. But this one did pretty well. It's I think 360,000 miles. So it did pretty good. But its time has come to an end. So I want to just do a quick video on how to replace it. I use this little fancy tool. I mean, I guess you can use a wrench, but sometimes most of the experience I had is it slips off and it, kind of screws up the nut, and then you're kind of dig yourself a hole. So what Snap-on does is Snap-on sells a little socket like this. So put it on just like so, and then you give it a go. Sometimes they are pretty rough. It does always seem like they want to break, like the thread wants to break off. I haven't had one break yet, but I don't want to really jinx myself. Okay, now that we got it off, then you have this thing right here. This is the part of it. You have the little connector. Connector pops right off. You have two 8mm cords. Alright, now that we got this sucker off, you can throw it on the ground. See what a new one looks like. Nice and shiny. Just want to drop it in there. Usually I like to do this one first, if the wire needs to twist a little bit or anything. Just put that in there like that. I'm always scared to tighten it all the way, but it's supposed to not move, not be loose. Alright guys, I had to hurry up a little bit, but I tightened it up right here. put a zip tie here. Usually you want to, put a zip tie so it's not touching anything too much. Then I put a zip tie right here. Got the connector connected, all bolted down. Yeah, that's pretty much a done deal. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have that socket. They don't sell it just for the heck of it. I mean, it's nice to have, and it makes the job a little easier. I would recommend getting I can't remember, it's about 60 bucks. But with the wrench, I've never had luck with the wrench, to be honest. It always slips off or something. But this grabs it, and it makes your life a lot easier. So if you do a lot of these, I'd suggest investing in one. But just want to make a quick video on that. Let me know if it gave anyone a little knowledge, a little insight. But yeah, now I just got to clear the code and we'll be done. Alright guys, thanks for watching.